2022 Toyota Corolla with less than 38,000 miles on the odometer. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. In addition to its fantastic fit and finish, you'll also get lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights. Experience the difference. Test drive your dream car today.